All right, traders, today's trading lessons from this morning are just going to be kind of some examples of what we look for when we're trading, right? Terrence, again, came up with he typed out AMST, red to green, um, which would have been back through. Here's the opening candle. These are 2-minute candles, and you can see right here the numbers. So if I hover over this candle, it opened at 380. So the red to green is back through the open, which is right here at 381. And pretty quickly to 433. If you're a day trader, you don't look at this and say, well, it rolled over. You didn't, you made pretty good money if you took the 381 and it went to 434. Really over the next 4 to 6 minutes. I thought that was a great post by Terrence. CZOO was kind of my favorite one, CZOO coming into today. I mentioned it through 10. I also kind of wanted a rest candle first, and I got a phone call right then, so I ended up not taking it, and it had come a long way. I wish I'd have played the red to green, the other kind of red to green through yesterday's close. But another good example of keeping the recent high flyers on watch, right? So CZOO just ended up getting the halt. If you did take my idea, I mentioned over the mic through 10, it ended up going to 13.15. WISA, I loved this one, and I'll show you why. Hang on a second here. All right, switch to 5-minute candles. But I love this one. I already had it on watch, right? We traded it a couple times yesterday, as you guys know, and then I had it on the watch list for today. All right, so right here, this candle is yesterday's high of 608. And in pre-market, you can see the time here, 8:13 this morning, Kevin P. posted that it's worth noting WISA topped out at 6 in the pre-market and yesterday's high, as he said, 608, just above, right? So knowing that, and I love the fact that he pointed out it topped at the whole number 6 in pre-market. Now I know a break of 6 might pretty well, pre-market high break of 6, whole number, inflection point, might take us through yesterday's high of 608, right? Stacked catalyst. So what did it do? It tops out this morning at 578, rolls back over, and as it starts to curl back up, I jumped on the mic, knowing about 6 and 608 being catalysts above. Jumped on the mic and said, hey, I like this back through maybe 575, the 3/4 number, knowing the high of days, 578. The whole number 6 is a pre-market high, and yesterday's high, 608, and it's a recent high flyer. Whole lot of things in our favor, and we got the 575 break. Within, 6 or 7 minutes, it's all the way up to 650. Again, as a day trader, really good money made right there, right? And then it ended up going even higher, and still hanging on pretty well. So what's the lesson? Teamwork for one. I love the post by Kevin P. It really kind of put WISA front and center on my radar. I love the fact that we're focusing on the recent high flyers and then just looking for the intraday setup. So, teamwork coupled with watching recent high flyers, some good money to be made.